Today, we're diving deep into the film damage effect to give your footage a nostalgic, vintage vibe. Let's bring the past to life. Start by heading to the edit page and placing your clip on the timeline. Open the effects library and find the film damage effect under the Open FX section. Drag and drop it onto your clip to instantly give it an old school film look. Now, let's get creative with customization. Select the clip and go to the inspector panel. Open the OpenFX settings to reveal a variety of options to fine-tune your effect. First up, in the film blur section, add softness to mimic the imperfections of old lenses. This works beautifully when paired with a bit of temperature shift or tint shift, giving your clip a warm or cool vintage tone. If you want to frame your shot perfectly, scroll down to the vignette options. This lets you darken or lighten the edges of your clip, drawing attention to the center and adding to the retro aesthetic. Next, let's move to the dirt options. Here, you can change the dirt color, size, and density. If you want a more modern or artistic vintage look, experiment with unique colors instead of classic white or black. You also have the scratches section. You can adjust the intensity, frequency, and size of the scratches. Whether you want subtle lines or heavy wear, tweak these sliders to suit your story. Play with these sliders until your footage feels just right. When you're done, preview your timeline to see your masterpiece come to life. With these tweaks, you can fully customize the film damage effect to fit your unique vision, and that's it. You've mastered the film damage effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips and tricks.